Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by degreasing and inspecting the pan. This first step sets the stage for effective curing. Use 1 tablespoon of dish soap with hot water to remove oils and residue, because leftover grease prevents proper bonding. Once clean, dry, and look closely for warping or pitting, those defects affect heat distribution and may require different repair. Make sure to have white vinegar and baking soda ready. They react to lift stains and prepare the surface for the next chemical step. Once done with inspection, descale and neutralize the steel so the curing layer can adhere. Simmer a vinegar and water mix for 5 to 10 minutes to dissolve mineral buildup. That acid cleans, but leaves the surface reactive. After cooling slightly, sprinkle baking soda and scrub gently to neutralize acid and lift any remaining deposits. Rinse thoroughly and dry. Then heat the pan to about 200 degrees F for 5 minutes to expand microscopic pores, which helps the next protective layer bond evenly. You now season to form a protective, polymerized layer. This is the cure. Apply half a teaspoon of a high smoke oil and spread a very thin, even coat. Too much gives sticky patches. Place the pan upside down in a 450 degrees F oven for 1 hour so the oil polymerizes into a hard, non-reactive film. Cool inside the oven to avoid cracks. If the result is sticky or blotchy, repeat with thinner coats. If problems persist, flame test a small area and adjust technique.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.